Hello everyone, this is Rahul and I have brought a new product and I am reviewing it. Rather, I am unboxing this for you. Here's the product. This is Portronics vacuum cleaner, which is very handy. Let me show you. Let me open this box at first place. So I brought it from Amazon during the festival time. So I got a discount as well. So it's a two-in-one cordless and corded vacuum cleaner. So this has got inbuilt battery as well as this works on the car plug. I brought it for a reason, and the reason it's suction power. In terms of feature, this has got vacuum cleaning, blower function, rechargeable battery, 2 speed, then washable HEPA filter, one press dust release, built-in flashlight, and LED display. So these are the parts which are there. Air inlet, then you have a press button to release the dust. There is a dust container which is there. The HEPA filter is there, then flashlight is there, then digital display and a power button and the branding of course of Portronics. MRP for this product is 4,999, but during Deepavali and the Dashera offer I got it for 2,300. So let me just unbox this for you. Here we go. Okay, so it's in a cover and let me pull it out. Let me unwrap this. Okay, so it's a beautiful shiny product which is there, and you can see the button. I am just pressing it for the first time. Let me see how it works. Okay, it works and it's showing eco mode, and I believe when I press the button for the second time it's into the max mode. It's a blowing function here and the suction is from here. When we click this gets open like this. You can hear the sound. There's a flashlight which is here. Here is the charging point. Okay, so this is a type C charging. Another point to connect with the car cable. Let's see what is inside the box now. Okay, here comes a flexible pipe and a connector. I think you can use this for blowing the balloons as well. Okay, so there is a brush. I believe you can clean carpet. There are few more attachments which are there. So attachment, if this product works well, you will anyways get attached. Oh, there are brush like this to clean the corners, rather nozzle. This is a small brush, I think, which is meant for cleaning the smaller and softer parts. So there is a type C cable which is there, USB cable. So there is this long cable which is meant for connecting in the car, which goes into your cigarette lighter, plug point, and that's how this looks like. This comes with a smaller manual. Complete description is there about the product. And I'll start using this immediately, and in case if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. And I have reviewed one more vacuum cleaner product, which is Eureka Forbes, which is the most seen YouTube video of mine. Please do watch it. Keep asking me questions and I'll be very happy to answer it for you. Please subscribe to my channel, blog, and see you in my next blog. Bye-bye.